Hello beautiful friends, welcome to Naturals. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can make apple juice. Word of inspiration is coming from Psalm chapter 34 verse 8. Oh, taste and see that the Lord is good. First thing you have to do is you wash your apples and remove seeds. So these are the products that we're going to use: 3 apples, chopping board, knife, a blender, and a cup, a glass cup. So I'm super excited to make this video. If you want a healthy skin, beautiful natural hair, then you need to take care of your healthy first. Your body needs to be healthy. Yes, so healthy actually is not by chance but by choice. So first wash and remove seeds, and then you have to make sure that you cut according to the size of the juice entrance. But of course I'm going to use a blender, and you have to make sure that you drink it right away before it turns brown. Now, healthy benefits of apple juice: it facilitates easy passage of stool or sorbitol. It regulates high blood pressure. It's good for losing weight. It's low in caloric value and sodium. It promotes heart healthy. It helps prevent the hardening of arteries. It helps thwart asthma attack, flushes away toxins, acts as a liver cleanser. It helps prevent cancer when used with the skin. So make sure that you cut your apples into smaller pieces. But of course, I went with only 2 apples. So who doesn't love to sip a cool, refreshing drink or fresh pineapple, passion fruit, or watermelon, or juice on a stressful day, or get energized with nutritious mix of fruit and vegetable? So drinking fresh juice definitely means getting lots of nutrients and health benefits. So it is also an easy way to take in fruits and vegetables, especially for persons on the go. For who can consume 4 large carrots, a pear broccoli, a head of 4 cabbages. So it is impossible. So the easiest way is to make juice. That is why juicing your vegetables or your fruits is the fastest way to absorb the nutrients in your body. So now it's time to blend. I'm one person who doesn't like a failure. So I really made sure that this really worked. Yes, so if you're new on my channel, you are so welcome. And if this is your first time, you can click on that subscribe button and subscribe today, because there are many good things I prepared for you on this channel. Yes, and you can check out other videos. And to my 41 subscribers, I really appreciate you guys for your support and your love, and to all my viewers. So now it's well blended. So at this point we are sieving it. Make sure that you get a fine strainer. I'm pretty sure that a juicer can really work well, but either way, whatever gadget you have, you can use it. Okay, so now we are done. That's how our apple juice looks like. So lovely. I'm super excited, because this is going to work miracles in our body. Indeed, God is so wonderful. Whatever he created is so perfect. Yes, look at that lovely color. Wow. So now I'm just transferring our apple juice in a glass cup. Hey friends, so now at this point I'm super excited, because it's about time to drink our juice, apple juice. So now fruits contain natural sugar called fructose, or fruit sugar. So that's why it's too much of it can also be bad for your health. So to know how many servings of fruit you should take every day, you have to make sure that you check Yes, with the dietary, you know, or a checklist, yes, or nutritional guideline. So like I tell you, this tastes so good. I'm so happy. Yes. How I wish you could taste this. Are you going to try to make your juice? You can kindly comment in the section below if you've made your own apple juice before or you're going to try this one. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you. See you in my next video. Yes.